Hey everybody. So this is just to kind of walk you through my um, virtual classroom. So it kind of helps you get to different links and things like that. And I thought it was a little bit more fun than just going in and having you have a whole bunch of things. So the most important section is going to be the whiteboard, which is here, and this bookshelf, which is here. And everything on the bookshelf right now is a hyperlink. This goes to vocab.com. I think it goes to my account, so I'll make it so that it's just like the logout account. But it's going to go to that. And then, then this F down here will take you to our FlowCab video, and you should be able to play.
The following is a paid advertisement. The opinions and views expressed do not represent those of Vocabulary.
An Act Nice will throw in a second one at twice the price. You need to acquire this product.
So you'll watch it. I'll show it to you guys in class, but if you ever miss my class, or you want to watch the FlowCab video again because we went too quickly, you had to go to the bathroom and you're learning at home, your mom needed you to do a favor for her, something like that, and you missed a chunk of my class while at home distance learning, or you're in person and you were out that day, now you have the tools to access it. So this will always be whatever video we're up to next. So that's the vocab.com is a quick way to get to the vocab.com. This is a quick way to get to whatever FlowCab words we're using. This whiteboard is going to be our main assignments. So right now it says interest inventory. That will take you to a link that'll do the interest inventory. You'll have a shield assignment above it, and you'll have a favorite character in television, movies, or books beneath it. I just have to finish it. And those will be your assignments for the week from September 8th to the 11th, along with my welcome back PowerPoint, which is a separate video I've recorded. And like I'm currently doing this for the videos in here, but so you can access this, you can check in with all the different things and see how it's going. And it'll change to like if we ever take notes or major assignments, things like that, it'll change. The date is a horoscope link. You can plug it in and see what people are telling you for your horoscope. You don't have to. This paradise is ocean and wave sounds. If you click on it, it'll take you to a YouTube thing that plays soothing sounds. This boombox plays different music and things like that. My link will always play whatever song is putting me in a good mood. Right now, it is a Lizzo song. You'll have to click on it to see what it is. The Stress V Zone will have meditation and yoga for you, so you can do it to kind of chill, unwind, relax. This will be funnier videos to kind of make you relax. And then this will be older assignments. It's a Dropbox folder, so if you need to go back and find something, it should be in there. This book, these like cartoony looking books right here, take you to an epic, it's called Epic. I'll make sure that it works so that you guys can get in. But it takes you to, you're going to need a class code. So, sorry, this is the worst video yet. So, I will make sure you guys all have my class code, which is right here. And when it takes you to the main site, there are student login instructions for Chromebooks and all those things. I can't really print them, but if you are having trouble and you're trying to get in, It just is a way for you to access different audiobooks. So there are comics, there's Read to Me, there's different videos, there's audiobooks. This is like the little kids series, I think, but it gets older. I'm never going to assign it to you, but or at least I don't think I will. We'll see. But it will be a good way for you to access some things, to do read-alongs. There's mysteries and all that kind of stuff. And you can look it up through there. And then other things might change, other things might add. This is going to be frequently asked questions. None of you have asked me questions yet. So I don't have anything on there, but it'll be a Word document that has answers to questions that are coming up, like things about yearbook maybe, anything to do with the school, anything to do with my class, when are grades closing, all that kind of stuff. You can eventually come and click on here and be like, did someone else already ask this? Did she answer it? So this is just a quick walkthrough of my virtual classroom. Like I said, this whiteboard will change a lot. The dates will always change. The assignments will change. It obviously won't be linked to my welcome back assignment always. You can access it through the Google Classroom at all times. It'll take you here and it'll have you have more than one way to communicate with me. If you're doing your work at midnight and you're in the zone and you're focused, I'm asleep at midnight, but you can come in here and see like what is due this week. What FlowCab video are we getting our words from and stuff like that. So hopefully this will help keep you guys a little bit more in tune with what's happening in the class. If we go full virtual ever, this will be really important. That's a different YouTube video. I have a million tabs open, guys. It's very stressful. But yeah, like I said, all the different things are hyperlinks. So if you click on them, you will